Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable SBA 7A loan research with Lendio for multifamily investing. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Lendio website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Lendio account. Navigate to the loan options section on the homepage. Select the SBA 7A loan option from the list presented. Review the criteria and requirements for the SBA 7A loan. Gather necessary documents such as your personal and business financial statements. Prepare a business plan outlining your multifamily investment goals. Fill out the online application form for the SBA 7A loan. Be sure to provide accurate and complete information throughout the application. Submit your application and wait for confirmation from Lendio. Once confirmed, a loan specialist will reach out to you for further details. Discuss your multifamily investment plans with the loan specialist. Ask any questions you may have about the loan process and requirements. Be prepared to provide additional documentation if requested. Receive a funding proposal tailored to your multifamily investment needs. Carefully review the terms and conditions of the proposal. If you agree to the terms, proceed to the next steps in the funding process. Ensure that you understand the repayment schedule and interest rates. Finalize the loan agreement to secure your funding. Use your SBA 7A loan to invest in multifamily properties. Monitor your investment performance and maintain communication with Lendio. Stay informed about future loan opportunities and market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.